So how to fix this problem? Motion will not available. So to fix this option, simply go to your setting and go to the wallpaper option and press on add new wallpaper. Now here you can see the live photos option. So you have to select live photos option, then those photo only recommended and support for live wallpaper or motion effect. Suppose if I select this photo as a wallpaper, select this one, and then you can see it's available for motions. And if you want to add, set as wallpaper, now if you go back, then it will be moved. So you have to choose the recommended and iPhone supported live wallpaper to make as wallpaper. So this is the only solution, and hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.